All right, so I just found that my vertex was 4, -1, and I used that by using the calculator. All right, so in the XY box over here, we're gonna put that in the middle, 4, -1. All right, then I'm gonna go 2 lower than 4, so 3 and 2, for my X values, and 2 larger than 4, 5 and 6. But I have to figure out the Y values, and I'm gonna use the calculator the same way. Now to do this, all you have to do is go back up, and you can scroll over. And I'm going to start with 2, so I'm going to change the 4 to be a 2 in both of my X value spots. And just hit enter. All the other numbers were typed in for us, so we have a -5. I'm going to do it again for the 3. Scroll up, and then change it to be a 3 instead of a 2. Hit enter, and my value there is -2. All right. And then I'm going to do it for the 5. That's the next one I don't have done in my box. Change the 3 to be a 5 in both spots. Hit enter. It's -2. And some of you have already noticed the pattern here. Since this is in the middle, you have -2. This, of course, with the 6 is also going to be a -5. That's how you fill out the XY box.